Pebble crab. Pebble crabs look like smooth rocks. They hide among stones on the shore. Coconut crab. Coconut crabs are huge land crabs. They can climb trees and crack coconuts. Mangrove crab. Mangrove crabs live among mangrove roots. They crawl quickly and eat leaves. Ghost crab. Ghost crabs run very fast. Their pale bodies blend with beach sand. Snow crab. Snow crabs live in cold waters. They have long legs and tasty claws. King crab. King crabs are giant and spiky. They walk on long, strong legs. Stone crab. Stone crabs have huge claws. They hide in rocky burrows. Rainbow lobster. Rainbow lobsters have bright colors. They crawl proudly across coral reefs. Spiny lobster. Spiny lobsters have long antennae. They hide in groups inside rocky cracks. Cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimp clean fish at reef stations. They wave their antennae to invite customers. Dancing shrimp. These shrimp move in bouncing dances. They live in groups on coral reefs. Skeleton shrimp. Skeleton shrimp are tiny and stick-like. They cling to seaweed with thin legs. Rock lobster. Rock lobsters live in cold, rocky waters. They have strong shells and long tails. Squat lobster. Squat lobsters are small and fluffy-looking. They hide under rocks in deep seas. Fairy crab. Fairy crabs are tiny and colorful. They walk lightly across coral rocks. Box crab. Box crabs look like little boxes. They can fold their claws to hide completely. Hermit box crab. These crabs hide inside borrowed shells. They move slowly along sandy bottoms. Barrel sponge. Barrel sponges look like giant underwater barrels. Many fish hide inside them. Tube sponge. Tube sponges grow tall, hollow tubes. Their bright colors stand out on reefs. Vase sponge. Vase sponges look like cups. They filter huge amounts of seawater. Fire sponge. Fire sponges are bright red. They grow in warm, shallow reefs. Encrusting sponge. These sponges spread like moss on rocks. They form colorful patches. Rope sponge. Rope sponges look like long ropes. They hang and twist in reef currents. Basket sponge. Basket sponges form big basket shapes. Many small creatures hide inside. Heart urchin. Heart urchins have heart-shaped bodies. They burrow softly in sandy bottoms. Pencil urchin. Pencil urchins have thick, straight spines. They hide in rocky cracks. Purple sea urchin. These urchins are bright purple. They munch on seaweed. Sand sea urchin. Sand urchins are pale and round. They live just below the surface of the sand. Slate pencil urchin. This urchin has big, blunt spines. It lives in coral reefs. Fire urchin. Fire urchins have bright red and yellow colors. They glow beautifully in the water. Tiger tail. Sea cucumber. These cucumbers have striped patterns. They stretch long across the seafloor. Pink sea cucumber. Pink sea cucumbers have soft pink bodies. They wave their tiny tentacles for food. Sea pig. Sea pigs are strange deep sea cucumbers. They crawl on long tube-like legs. Pacific salmon. Salmon swim from ocean to river to lay eggs. They leap up waterfalls on their journey. Ocean sunfish mola. Sunfish are huge and flat. They float lazily near the surface and enjoy warm sunshine. Garfish. Garfish have long, thin bodies. They snap at insects near the water's surface. Silver arowana. Arowanas glide like shiny dragons. They can even jump to catch food. Pipefish. Pipefish look like straight seahorses. They hide among seagrass. Bonito. Bonitos are fast, silver-striped fish. They travel with large schools. Mackerel. Mackerels are shiny and torpedo-shaped. They love cool, open seas. Herring. Herrings swim in huge, shimmering groups. They are important food for many sea animals. Cod. Codfish are soft-colored and gentle. They live in cold, northern oceans. Haddock. Haddock have a dark spot on their side. They swim near the seafloor in chilly waters. Halibut are flat fish with both eyes on one side. They rest on the sandy bottom. Flounders hide by changing color. They lie flat and blend with sand. Solefish. Soles are thin flatfish. They use their camouflage to stay safe. Tilefish dig burrows in sandy floors. They live in colorful coral areas. Monkfish look scary with big mouths. They wait quietly for prey to swim close. Anglerfish have glowing lures on their heads. They live deep where sunlight cannot reach. Viperfish have long jaws and glowing bodies. They hunt in the dark, deep sea. Dragonfish have sharp teeth and tiny lights. They look like little underwater dragons. Oarfish are long, ribbon-like giants. They swim deep and are rarely seen. Gulper eels have huge mouths. They can swallow prey much bigger than themselves. Ribbon eels are colorful and skinny. They wave like ribbons in the water. Frogfish can change color to match their home. They walk on their fins like little feet. Scorpionfish use camouflage and have sharp spines. They sit still on rocks waiting for food. Cleaner wrasses clean other fish. They pick off tiny bugs and help fish stay healthy. Batfish have flat bodies and odd shapes. They move slowly along the seafloor. Rainbow wrasses shine with bright colors. They dart quickly around coral reefs. Squirrelfish have big eyes and red bodies. They come out mostly at night. Soldierfish are bright red and shy. They hide in caves during the day. Snook are sleek fish that live near mangroves. They love warm, shallow waters. Tarpons are large silver fish. They leap out of the water when excited. Bonefish are fast swimmers with shiny bodies. They enjoy sandy flats in warm seas. Ladyfish are slim and silvery. They swim quickly near the surface. Rockfish come in many colors. They hide among rocky reefs. Toadfish have big mouths and croaking voices. They sit on the seafloor waiting for food. Hogfish have long noses and bright colors. They use their snouts to search for food. Wrasses are active swimmers. They love exploring coral reefs. Snappers have strong teeth and colorful bodies. They form large schools in warm seas. Hogfish snapper. This fish has a snout like a pig. It changes color as it grows. Tile bass live in coral caves. They have strong fins and bright patterns. Black drums make drumming sounds. They live in bays and coastal seas. Harp seals have white fluffy babies. They live on ice and swim quickly. Electric eels can make electricity. They live in freshwater but often join ocean lists for kids. Sea snakes have long, colorful bodies. They live in warm seas and are great swimmers. Hermit crabs live in borrowed shells. They change shells as they grow. Blue crabs have bright blue claws. They scurry quickly along sandy bottoms. Horseshoe crabs have hard dome shells. They are ancient animals that lived before dinosaurs. Nudibranchs are rainbow-colored sea slugs. They crawl slowly on coral reefs. Sea cucumbers are soft and tube-shaped. They help clean the ocean floor. Sea otters float on their backs. They use rocks to crack open shellfish. Kelp is giant seaweed that forms underwater forests. Many animals hide among its leaves. Moon jellies are clear and gentle. They glow softly in the water. Emperor angelfish. This fish has bright blue and yellow stripes. It swims proudly around coral reefs. Giant clams stay in one place and open their shells wide. They have glowing colors inside. Blue tang. Blue tangs are bright blue with yellow fins. They swim quickly in coral reefs. Remoras have suction heads. They stick to sharks and ride along. Sea spiders have long, thin legs. They crawl slowly across the seafloor. Leafy sea dragons look like floating leaves. They hide perfectly among sea plants. Sand dollars are flat and round. They live buried under sandy bottoms. Cone snails have pretty patterned shells. They use a tiny dart to catch food. Cuttlefish change colors like magic. They hover gently above the seafloor. Gobies are tiny fish that sit on rocks. Many of them like to hide inside coral holes. Butterfly fish are bright and patterned. They flutter around reefs like underwater butterflies. Surgeonfish have sharp spines near their tails. They swim in groups around coral reefs. Guppies are tiny, colorful fish. They are playful swimmers in warm, shallow waters. Blennies have big eyes and tiny fins. They peek out from holes to watch other fish. Lampreys have round mouths with tiny teeth. They look like ancient sea animals. Groupers are large, strong fish. They live in caves and swallow prey whole. Blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth. It has a long, blue-gray body and lives in deep oceans. Bottlenose dolphin. This dolphin has smooth gray skin and a friendly smile. It loves to jump and play in warm seas. Great white shark. This shark has sharp teeth and a powerful body. It swims fast and hunts in cool coastal waters. Orca killer whale. Orcas are black and white and live in family groups. They are smart hunters of the sea. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells and gentle eyes. They swim far across oceans and nest on sandy beaches. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny, colorful, and shaped like horses. They hide in sea plants and move slowly. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft bell bodies with long, stinging tentacles. They float gently with ocean currents. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and a soft body. It can change color to hide from danger. Squids have long arms and swim quickly. They shoot ink to escape predators. Manta ray. Manta rays have large wings that glide through the water. They eat tiny plankton in warm seas. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and hide under sand. They use a tail spine for protection. Clownfish. Clownfish are orange with white stripes. They live safely among sea anemone tentacles. Sea anemones look like colorful flowers. They use their soft tentacles to catch tiny fish. Moray eel. Moray eels have long, snake-like bodies. They hide in rocks and open their sharp mouths. Hammerhead shark. This shark has a flat, hammer-shaped head. It uses its wide eyes to see better underwater. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and bright colors. They can regrow an arm if they lose one. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are round and covered in spines. They hide in rocky places and move slowly. Crab. Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways. They live on beaches and shallow waters. Lobster. Lobsters have big claws and long antennae. They hide under rocks in cold oceans. Shrimp. Shrimp are small with long feelers. They clean the ocean by eating tiny bits of food. Walrus. Walruses have big tusks and whiskers. They rest on ice and dive for clams. Sea lion. Sea lions have smooth brown bodies and strong flippers. They bark loudly and love to play. Seals have round faces and soft eyes. They swim gracefully and rest on beaches. Beluga whale. Belugas are white and have round heads. They make many sounds and live in the Arctic. Narwhal. Narwhals have a long spiral tusk. They swim in icy waters like unicorns of the sea. Coral. Corals look like tiny plants but are animals. They build colorful reefs for fish to live in. Swordfish. Swordfish have long, pointed bills. They swim fast across the open ocean. Flying fish. Flying fish can glide above the water. They escape danger by jumping into the air. Pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up into balls when scared. They have cute round eyes and tiny fins. Angelfish. Angelfish are bright and colorful reef fish. They swim slowly around corals. Lionfish. Lionfish have long, striped fins that look like a mane. They glide gracefully but have sharp spines. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have beak-like mouths. They bite coral and help keep reefs clean. Barracuda. Barracudas are long and fast with sharp teeth. They hunt smaller fish in clear waters. Manatee. Manatees are gentle gray giants. They eat sea plants and float peacefully in warm rivers and seas. Dugong. Dugongs look like manatees but live in the ocean. They slowly graze on seagrass beds. Anchovy. Anchovies are tiny silver fish. They swim in big groups near the surface. Sardine. Sardines are shiny and swim in huge schools. Many ocean animals eat them. Tuna. Tuna are strong, fast swimmers. They travel long distances in deep blue waters. Humpback whale. Humpback whales sing beautiful songs. They leap out of the water in giant splashes. Whale shark. Whale sharks are giant but gentle. They open wide mouths to eat tiny plankton. Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand, but it's very poisonous. Wobbegong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark. Dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites round holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the seafloor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton. Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales. Manta ray. It's huge and looks like it's flying underwater. It has wings that flap gracefully. It loves plankton buffets. Orca killer whale. It's black and white. It hunts in family groups. It's smart and playful. Seal. It has soft fur and big eyes. It slides on ice and swims fast. It loves to clap its flippers. Walrus. It has long tusks and whiskers. It rests on icy beaches. It uses its tusks to climb onto ice. Manatee. It's round and gentle. It lives in warm, shallow waters. It eats plants all day long. Beluga whale. It's white and friendly looking. It lives in the Arctic. It can make funny, squeaky sounds. Penguin. It wears a black and white suit. It can't fly but swims like a rocket. It lives in cold places with pufferfish. It's small and cute. It puffs up like a balloon when scared. It has tiny spikes all over. Lionfish. It has colorful fins with stripes. It looks beautiful but can sting. It moves slowly like it's dancing. Hammerhead shark. It has a head shaped like a hammer. It sees in all directions. It hunts fish in groups. Electric eel. It looks like a long snake. It can make electricity to shock prey. It lives in rivers and swamps. Barracuda. It's long and shiny. It swims fast with sharp teeth. It chases small fish in the reef. Sea snake. It's slender and colorful. It glides gracefully underwater. Its bite is very strong. Humpback whale. It's huge and sings beautiful songs. It leaps high from the water. It travels far every year. Blue whale. It's the biggest animal on Earth. Its heart is the size of a car. It eats tiny krill, shrimp. It's small with many legs. It hides in coral and sand. It cleans other fish. Coral. It looks like a rock but is alive. Tiny animals build it together. It creates colorful reefs. Anemone. It looks like a flower but stings. It lives with clownfish as friends. It waves gently with the current. Sea sponge. It has many tiny holes. It filters water to eat. It stays in one place forever. Copepod. It is tiny and clear. It drifts with plankton clouds. It feeds many fish and whales. Amphipod. It has a curved body and many legs. It hides in seaweed and sand. It hops quickly when disturbed. Sea spider. It has very long legs. It sucks juice from soft animals. It lives in cold and warm seas. Cobia. It is long and dark with a white belly. It follows big rays and sharks. It eats crabs and small fish. Amberjack. It is strong and silver. It speeds through open water. It hunts in schools around reefs. Bonito. It is sleek with stripes. It swims fast near the surface. It chases shiny bait fish. Sailfin tang. It has tall fins like sails. It grazes on algae all day. It loves coral reef gardens. Moorish idol. It has black, white, and yellow bands. It has a long ribbon fin. It pecks gently at sponges. White-tip reef shark. It has white tips on its fins. It rests in caves during the day. It hunts small fish at night. Garden eel. It looks like a thin noodle. It pokes up from sandy burrows. It sways in groups like a grassy field. Blue sea slug Glaucus atlanticus. It is tiny and blue like a sky drop. It floats upside down on the surface. It eats stinging jellies and steals their power. Sea angel. It is a clear winged snail. It flaps like a tiny angel. It lives in cold, open water. Lion's mane jellyfish. It has a giant bell and long, flowing tentacles. It lives in chilly seas. Its tentacles can trail like ribbons. Giant trevally. It is bold and silver. It chases prey into the air. It rules the reef like a boss. Little penguin, fairy penguin. It is the smallest penguin. It comes ashore after dark. It nests in burrows near the sea. Sea crate. It is a banded sea snake with a paddle tail. It breathes air but hunts underwater. It lays eggs on land and returns to the waves. Manta ray. Manta rays are huge and gentle. They swim with wide wings and eat tiny plankton. They look like ocean angels. Beaked whale. It has a pointed snout. It lives far offshore. It is one of the deepest divers. Fin whale. It is long and slender. It glides through open oceans. It's the second largest whale. Harbor porpoise. It is small and shy. It stays near cool coasts. It breathes with soft, quick puffs. Dugong. It has a gentle, rounded face. It grazes on seagrass meadows. It's called a sea cow. Oceanic white-tipped shark. It has white-tipped broad fins. It roams the open ocean. It cruises slowly but never stops moving. Thresher shark. It has a very long tail. It lives in deep blue water. It slaps fish with its tail to stun them. Portuguese man-o'-war. It looks like a purple balloon. It floats on the surface with long, stinging tentacles. It's a team of tiny animals living together. Box jellyfish. It has a square bell. It swims near tropical shores. Its sting is very strong, so give it space. Leatherback sea turtle. It has a soft, leathery shell with white spots. It dives very deep for jellyfish. It can travel across whole oceans. Hawksbill sea turtle. It has a pointed beak like a hawk. It loves coral reefs. It helps keep sponges from taking over. Olive ridley sea turtle. It's small and olive green. It nests in huge groups called arabatas. Babies dash to the sea at night. Loggerhead sea turtle. It has a big head and strong jaws. It cracks crabs and shellfish. It cruises warm coastal waters. Kemp's ridley sea turtle. It's the smallest sea turtle. It nests on sandy beaches in daylight. It needs our protection to survive. Emperor penguin. It's the tallest penguin. It huddles with others to stay warm. Parents take turns caring for the chick. Chinstrap penguin. It has a black line under its chin. It nests on rocky Antarctic islands. It dives fast to catch krill. Gentoo penguin. It has a bright orange beak. It builds pebble nests. It swims like a tiny torpedo. Cownose ray. It has a rounded head like a cow's nose. It swims in big schools. It flaps its fins like wings. Ray. It has white spots on dark skin. It glides over reefs with long tails. It eats clams and crabs. Viper fish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchet fish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open, deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barrel-eye fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary but stays small. Hagfish. It looks like a slimy eel. It lives on the seafloor. It makes sticky slime to escape danger. Lamprey. It has a round, toothy mouth. It can live in sea and river. It sucks on other fish to feed. Sailfish. It has a tall, sail-like fin. It swims very fast in open seas. It raises its sail to herd fish. Wahoo! It's sleek and striped. It races near the surface. It's one of the fastest fish. Flying gurnard. It opens big, wing-like fins. It lives on sandy bottoms. It flares its wings to startle predators. Sea robin. It has finger-like fins that walk. It searches sand for food. It can make croaking sounds. Black-tip reef shark. It has black tips on its fins. It cruises shallow coral reefs. It is shy and quick to turn away. Tiger shark. It has faint stripes. It patrols warm coasts. It eats many kinds of food. Bull shark. It is thick and strong. It can swim in rivers and the sea. It likes muddy, shallow water. Sperm whale. It has a square head. It dives very deep for squid. It clicks loudly to find prey. Pilot whale. It is black and smooth. It travels in tight family groups. It follows a leader like a pilot. Clownfish. It's small and orange with white stripes. It lives among sea anemones. It dances playfully to hide from danger. Blue tang. It's bright blue with a yellow tail. It swims around coral reefs. It loves to nibble tiny algae. Great white shark. It's huge with sharp teeth. It lives in the open ocean. It can smell blood from far away. Dolphin. It's gray and smooth. It lives in groups called pods. It loves to jump and talk through clicks. Octopus. It has 8 long arms. It can change color to hide. It squirts ink when scared. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It lives in warm seas. It travels thousands of miles to lay eggs. Starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow back a lost arm. Jellyfish. It's soft and see-through. It drifts with the waves. Some glow in the dark. Seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a horse. It holds onto sea plants with its tail. Dads carry the babies. Crab. It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the sand. It hides in holes when waves crash. Lobster. It's red after cooking, but dark green in the sea. It has big claws to grab food. It lives under rocks. Stingray. It's flat and smooth. It glides like a flying carpet. It hides in the sand with only its eyes showing. Squid. It has long tentacles. It can shoot ink to escape. It swims fast by squirting water. Whale shark. It's the largest fish in the ocean. It has white spots all over. It eats tiny plankton, not people. Moray eel. It's long like a snake. It hides in coral caves. It peeks out with sharp teeth showing. Sea urchin. It's round and covered in spines. It lives on rocks under the sea. Some glow purple or red. Sea cucumber. It's soft and tube-shaped. It crawls slowly on the ocean floor. It cleans the sea by eating waste. Angelfish. It's bright with stripes and patterns. It lives near coral reefs. It loves to swim in pairs. Parrotfish. It has a beak like a parrot. It bites coral to eat algae. It poops out sand that makes beaches swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. It swims super fast. It uses its sword to hit small fish. Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand. But it's very poisonous to Wobbegong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark. Dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites around holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the sea floor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton, Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales. Viperfish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchetfish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barrel-eye fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary, but stays small. Haddock. It has a dark shoulder spot. It lives in North Atlantic waters. It nibbles worms and small shellfish. Pacific halibut. It has both eyes on one side. It lives on sandy bottoms. It lies flat and waits quietly. Summer flounder. It has a camouflaged flat body. It lives in shallow coastal areas. It changes color to match sand. Dover sole. It has tiny scales and soft skin. It lives on gentle sea floors. It wiggles into mud to hide. Grouper. It has a thick, strong body. It lives near reefs and ledges. It opens a big mouth to suck prey. Red snapper. It has rosy scales and red eyes. It lives over reefs offshore. It hovers calmly above structures. Tarpon. It has large, shiny scales. It lives near warm coasts. It gulps air at the surface. Bonefish. It has a slender silver frame. It lives on sandy flats. It digs for worms with its mouth. Needlefish. It has a very long snout. It lives near the surface. It skims quickly over calm water. Half-beak. It has a short top jaw. It lives along tropical shores. It nibbles floating plants and small crustaceans. Remora. It has a suction disc on head. It lives attached to big animals. It hitches rides to find food. Bride's whale. It has 3 ridges on its head. It feeds near the surface. It loves warm tropical seas. Gray whale. It is mottled and barnacle covered. It makes one of the longest whale migrations. It scoops food from muddy sea floors. North Atlantic right whale. It has rough patches called callosities. It floats often near the surface. It is one of the most endangered whales. Bowhead whale. It has a huge bow-shaped skull. It lives in icy Arctic waters. It can break thick sea ice to breathe. Spinner dolphin. It's slim and energetic. It spins high out of the water. It hunts at night with its pod. Risso's dolphin. It has a rounded head and many scars. It prefers deep offshore water. It loves to chase squid. Pacific white-sided dolphin. It's black-gray and white with a curved dorsal fin. It surfs boat waves. It travels in lively groups. Commerson's dolphin. It's small and black and white like a panda. It lives near cold southern coasts. It darts quickly in shallow bays. Irrawaddy dolphin. It has a round face and no beak. It lives in rivers and coastal seas. It uses gentle clicks to find fish. Vaquita. It's the smallest porpoise. It lives only in the Gulf of California. It is very rare and needs help. Giant Pacific octopus. It's huge with strong arms. It lives in cold, rocky coasts. It can open jars to get food, mimic octopus. It changes shape to copy other animals. It can look like a lionfish, flatfish, or sea snake. It's a trickster of the reef. Blanket octopus. It spreads a beautiful blanket of skin. Females are much bigger than males. It drifts through warm, open seas. Bobtail squid. It's tiny and round. It glows with help from friendly bacteria. It hides by burying in sand. Firefly squid. It lights up bright blue at night. It gathers in huge groups in spring. Its glow looks like stars in the sea. Glass octopus. It's nearly transparent. You can see its organs inside. It lives in the deep open ocean. Mantis shrimp. It has rainbow colors and mighty claws. It can punch faster than a bullet. It sees more colors than we do. Japanese spider crab. It has very long legs. It lives deep on rocky bottoms. It looks like a walking spider of the sea. Decorator crab. It sticks shells and seaweed on its body. It makes its own costume to hide. It creeps slowly along the reef. Giant isopod. It looks like a huge pill bug. It lives deep on the seafloor. It cleans up by eating dead animals. Freshwater jellyfish. These jellyfish are tiny and clear. They float gently in lakes. They don't sting people but love warm water. Tadpoles are baby frogs. They have tails and no legs at first. They grow legs as they turn into frogs. Water flea. Water fleas are tiny like dust, but they move in jerks. They are food for small fish. They keep lakes healthy and clean. Leeches are long, soft worms that live in ponds. Some suck blood, but most eat plants. They move by stretching and sticking. Crayfish look like tiny lobsters. They have claws and live under rocks in rivers. They walk, swim, and dig tunnels. River prawn. River prawns have long arms and blue claws. They live in tropical rivers and love muddy bottoms. They are strong and quick swimmers. Mudfish can breathe air and survive in little water. They wiggle through mud when rivers dry up. They are clever and tough. Killifish are colorful and tiny. They live in puddles, rivers, and lakes. Some can even live in very little water. Mosquito fish eat mosquito larvae. They help keep ponds clean and healthy. They are small but very useful. Guppies are tiny, bright fish with colorful tails. They live in calm rivers and ponds. They are playful and always moving. Manatees are big, gentle animals with round bodies. They live in warm rivers and eat seagrass. People call them sea cows. Dugongs look like manatees but have dolphin-shaped tails. They swim slowly in calm waters. They are peaceful and love sea plants. River otters have smooth fur and long tails. They slide down muddy banks for fun. They love to play and swim together. Giant river turtle. These turtles have large, dark shells and kind eyes. They live in deep, slow rivers. They can grow as big as a table. Soft-shell turtles have flat, soft shells. They can bury themselves in sand to hide. Their long noses help them breathe like snorkels. Gharials have very long, thin snouts full of teeth. They live in Indian rivers and eat fish. They look funny, but are very gentle. River catfish, giant Mekong. The giant Mekong catfish is one of the biggest freshwater fish. It can grow longer than a person. It lives in the Mekong River in Asia. Arapaima are giant fish from South America. They can breathe air and jump high. Their shiny scales look like armor. Freshwater crocodile. These crocodiles are smaller and calmer than saltwater ones. They bask in the sun along riverbanks. They help balance nature in the water. Amazon River dolphin, Bodo. Amazon dolphins are pink and friendly. They use sound to find their way in muddy water. People say they bring good luck to those who see them.